Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert music or audio into your video on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So head over to Video Project through the video editor in Clipchamp. And then guys, as you can see, I inserted that example music here to the audio track below the video track. Now, due to copyright reasons, I'm of course not going to play this, but I'm going to show you how we can do this. There are two ways how we can do this. You may import, for example, audio or music from your device by clicking into Import Media here. Then navigate to the given file in MP3 file format, for example, on your device, and then move it to your, then it will be moved to your playlist so that you may move it from that and position it on your audio track here like you do with videos as well or images. Option number two, you may navigate to the content library here on Clipchamp, look for sound or music. Here, for instance, click into it, then go through one of these genres and move the given video clip from here by using that handle here. As you can see, the cursor switches to that hand icon, and the same way position it on your timeline. Now, once it has been positioned on your timeline, you may adjust its length, for instance, so that it aligns with the length of your video clips. To do that, click into one of the ends of the music track or audio track and adjust the length like this. Or you may split the given video clip as well by right clicking into it, select split, and then the given, well, you need to move the playhead, of course, to the position where you'd like to split the video clip music track, sorry. And now we got two separate audio tracks, and you may move them along your timeline. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.